All right, first things first, you get a new radiator. Make sure that's tight. Make sure these screws are in here. Some of them, like this, are blank, and you got to reuse them. This one did not. Slide her back in there like that. Make sure these rubbers, very important. Those rubbers, make sure those are there. If they're still on the old radiator, get them. That's where those feet go. Put that bad boy back in here. You make sure those feet are getting those little circles. There's one, there's two. Okay, put your hose back on. Grab whatever you're using. Just clamp back right. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna put these on first because this will hold them in place. Okay, put them on there like that. One fan back in. Okay. I'm gonna use these to keep it anchored like that and like that. Okay, I'll hook the bottom up in a second. Plug it in a second too. Got that one back in here. Just gonna use this side to anchor. This side to anchor. This guy right here we left plugged in. That goes down here. Tab on the fan that clips into right down there, that tab. Cool. Oh. Going down like that. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's good. The cowl we'll put on after we tighten it. Should go underneath and get it all secure. Down here, pull them flaps down, see how that's all lined up. that in there? Yes.
Cookie cutter over here explained the other day.
What?
He's sitting in there for that car on his phone for like whatever. He's been sitting here, you know. All of a sudden I come back in, I left $1 on the counter.
Oh yeah. No, I'm telling you. That's what I'm always listening to in my ears, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And they haven't been wrong yet. All right, so put that one in there. And last but not least, put that one in here. Like that. And then there's a plug we need to plug in. Right here. That's female. We need to bring the male plug back over. Stuffed up in here. Here. Goes over the hose. Bring that up over the top. Plug that guy back in right there. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna tighten it all up right now. But other than you take this, put that guy back on there like that. Put that back on there like that. Put all those pins back in there, and that's it. One radiator.